So this next question asks, how many solutions does the system have? Well, I think it does have a potential to have two. So remember, solutions occur, well, it's not the best line. So hard to draw with this thing, like sometimes the thing sticks. I really wish this app had a thing that drew straight lines. All right, so this is a quadratic. So this is probably going to come around like this, and it's going to cross the y-axis. Man, it's so hard to draw this. It's going to cross the y-axis at 3, so it's going to come around like this and kind of do one of these things. And this is a linear function. Now this is going to have a negative slope and a y-intercept of -5. So if it crosses, it might cross at 2 points. If it just barely touches on the vertex, it'll be 1 point. And if it's way down here, there's no solution. So you could have a possibility of 2 solutions, okay? So what do we got to do? Graph it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit y equals, and I'm going to hit clear, and I'm going to say x squared plus x, dang it, 2, plus x plus 3. And then I have negative 2x minus 5. Hit graph and see if they cross. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Why is that? Let me see why that's going on. Those are off. Did I put something in wrong? Oh, I see. Mr. Adams made the same mistake you guys make. That's supposed to be a negative sign, not a minus sign. Now it'll work. Oh, I just realized I'm not sharing the screen with you. I'm watching this on the other screen. So anyways, this is the graph. So it doesn't cross at all. So that means there's no solutions. That's it. The solution only occurs when there's a solution where it crosses on the graph. So, well, how do I word that? I'm going to say does not intersect so there are no solutions. Okay, and that's it on that one.